So I guess I'm a keyboard guy now. Hey, what's up everybody? Dave from Quarter Flips here. Welcome back to the channel. I am not a keyboard guy. I don't know how to play keyboard. I don't know how to play any instruments really. I just keep finding keyboards and buying them. But I said I wasn't gonna buy anything for a while other than $1 new car stuff, and I'm not out $1 new car shopping right now, and I was just gonna concentrate on listing, and that was my plan. I really intended for that to be the case. But I needed to buy a gift for a child's birthday for this weekend. And so there was a kids toy store that I had not been to that I'd been wanting a reason to go to. It's all brand new retail stuff, so it's not the kind of place I would shop. I'm not going to find any deal there that I can flip, but it's an opportunity today to go shopping for a kid and find something fun. And I got to look through the whole store, and I did find something very cool while I was there. This Fox LumiPets, it says Lumi World. It's this little soft light up fox with a remote control for a kid's nightstand bedside table. 25 bucks, not bad. This thing is really cool. I'll link the link to Amazon for this. Not like, if only so you can just see what it does. Or, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if someone made a YouTube video about these things. But that was really cool. I was happy with my purchase and thought it was going to make a good gift. And so it just so happens that I know about this toy store because it's next to the St. Vincent de Paul store that I go to once a month when they have their half off sales. And it wasn't a half off sale today. But I thought, hey, here's the deal though. I could probably run in there, and if I'm lucky, I'll find a couple DVDs that I can buy, and they will cover the cost or most of the cost of the LumiPet. So let me go in and try to do that since I'm here. I'm not shopping. This isn't a shopping trip for resale stuff. It's that, reseller reasoning. Yes, that's what I was calling it. Okay, reseller reasoning. So I come out of there with a copy of SLC Punk and Walt Disney's Classic Cartoon Favorites Volume 4 starring Chip and Dale. This is a $14.99 with shipping. This one I should get somewhere between 15 and 20 bucks. So between the two of these, even after fees, I'll cut nicely into the cost of that Fox. And then I went over to look at the plush and found these two things. This is, what is this character? Sarah and Duck. They didn't have Duck, but they had Sarah. Sarah sells all right. And this was only $2 because it was a 50% off blue tag sale. And then this thing, it's a Scoozy Pet. Neewer Tag's little weasel thing. Yeah, I had to buy that. I got that for 99 cents. So once these go, I'll pay for the Fox plus a little. So I was beginning to feel like I'd done the right thing. But then I saw this Yamaha PSR 340 keyboard and thought, well, no, 50 bucks. They've probably priced it the right price because this was up by the cases near the front. And usually in all of my videos where I go to that St. Vincent de Paul and I look in those cases near the front, I never find anything I can buy because they price everything real high there. But not this one. So it didn't have a power cord, but it did power on because it has batteries also, and they were working. And it totally worked. It totally powered on. I took the batteries out just because they were old and almost dead, and I didn't want to screw up the battery compartment. And yeah, it's got a little bit of wear, but I thought, hey, I should definitely see for 50 bucks. I should see what it sells for. And here's what I found. Most of these that sold for decent prices went for auction. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this thing up for auction probably next week. And yeah, I don't know. See if I can get 10 times my money. But I kind of want to keep it. Why do I want to keep keyboards? It doesn't make any sense. I'm going to sell it. I'm not going to keep it. I want to keep a lot of the stuff that I sell. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to make something real quick because I'm going to be away for the weekend, going to Canada. My first time into Canada since this whole craziness for the last couple of years. So we can finally cross the border again. So I'm going to do that. Have a good time with friends. go to a 4-year-old's birthday party, and yeah, have a good time. So I will be back next week with some kind of other video about something. And I hope, I don't know, I promise you this. I find another keyboard this weekend. I'll show it in the video next week. Okay, that's it. LumiPets. This video is not sponsored by LumiPets, but I think it's just really cool. I would have liked having this when I was a little kid. So I should have bought 2. All right. See you next time. Thanks.